Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are staying safe, washing your hands or whatever, just doing what to do. I hope you guys are still staying sane in this time. At this point, like, the government must just let us go. Like, that's what I'm seeing. I feel like we just need to skedaddle, really. But anyways, as you can see by the title of today's video, we are doing a last minute photo shoot for Mother's Day, because me and one of my sisters made like a little DIY spa day, and I didn't film that one because I thought, I'd let it just be special and for her. But then I thought again, why not try something new and do like a photo shoot? So I'll do her makeup, I'll do styling or whatever, I don't know, but just glam her up so that we can do a photo shoot, because she's not really the type of person to do a photo she's not really the type of person to be in front of the camera. Like, also when it comes to pictures, she's not really that girl. But I thought, since today's Mother's Day, then we can just do a last minute photo shoot, very simple. Maybe we'll do some in the room, we'll do outside, and I'll just make it quick. I'm not trying to do a whole day's worth because I have other things to do as well today. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure that you share this video to other people, so that if there's anyone who still also hasn't done anything, you can just give them this idea. It doesn't really need much. You just need a phone and some good quality lighting, which is probably outside. We just use natural light here, and yeah. She said we must actually all get ready, so I'm going to do my hair. So this is basically like a twist out, but like, as you can see, like, how did I do? I did like rose after washing my hair, and then I just took it out the next day because I think I did it really tightly. And so basically this is like how many days old? Let's say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5 days old. So I've just been sleeping like this, nothing much. So I'm just going to use this leave-in conditioner. Yeah, creamy one. I like this one. And then I'm just going to work it in my hair so that I can revive these girls. I'm just going to tie this down with a scarf until it's time to take the shoot. If there are some girls who are staying up, it's fine, as long as like this part is like down. So I'm just going to choose some clothes and then I'll be back. So the lighting isn't so great anymore here, so I'm wearing these, and so I'm just gonna take off this hoodie and wear these jeans, because we're planning on wearing like white and blue, whatever. I don't even know if I've sweated in this thing, because like it's literally 2 hours later. Oh, I know it's not. Oh, because I was doing my makeup. Oh no.
Okay, jewelry. Gang jewelry. Oh.